Yay!
Oh, yung iba pa, yung iba.
Ano?
Oh, yung just the way you are. Yay!
Oy, yung pink kasi pag sa green line.
Dito, tingin dito.
Yay! Favorite. Dito ka tumingin.
Dito ko tingin.
Birthday. Oh.
Ay, sayang, doble.
Yay! What? Yay! Where do you live? Very good. How old are you? 3. Who is your father? Look at me. Who is your father? Father. Daddy. Again. Tito. Slowly. Tito. Sige na. Who is your father? Tito. Say Tito.
Aking yung black. Ano yung wala kasalita?
And who is your mother? Mommy. And your brother? Kuya. Christian. Your sister. Ate Kim. Sorry. When is your birthday? October 15. What is your talent? Sing or dance? Oh, sing. Sing ka naman ano? What is your favorite color?
Violet.
Wow. Do you know how to dance? Dance? You don't know how to dance? Dance. Sige, dance ko na. Sample.
Oh, dance.
Ha? Yay!
Ay, dance muna, dance. Oh, dance.
Sige na. Okay, makakahulog yan dyan. Thank you.
Kaligayahan.
Thank you.
Bye-bye ka, bye-bye.
Bye. Hi. Say hi.
Dito ka tingin.
Mami, sa TV. Okay. Look at me. Look at mommy. Look at me. Ikaw, paano mo?
Para maganda. Talaga na sa yaso mo.